In the previous video, I shared some ideas and techniques for individual students placing their media on a page. In this video, I wish to demonstrate how to set up a group and use this to bring all the different pages together. Your tutor can create a group. It's a good idea to insert a description for people looking through the list of groups. For this particular group, membership can be either controlled or by request. Allow all group members to create and edit pages. When the group is created, you can go from tab to tab to see the members, the forums, the pages and collections, and to share pages, and there is also a file space. If you choose controlled membership, use this link to send multiple invitations. Type names in the search box. When a name is found, it will appear in the box on the left, and you should use the arrow to send it to the right box. Search for more names until they are all listed in the right-hand box and click Submit. What we are currently looking at is the group home page, and I think it would be a good idea if this became our portal to the virtual exhibition. I would propose removing latest forum posts, members, and group pages and starting afresh. To do that, we need to click on the Pages tab and use the pencil icon to edit the group home page. I'll remove most of the blocks on the page so that we're left with a blank space. I'll also change the layout. You can bring images onto the page to make it look a bit better, and you can use the text block to have some headings. If you want to have a bit of space between your main heading and this text block, insert another one and hit the Enter key to insert a blank line. In the left-hand column, we can add a text block and list all of the group members' names. We could have a text block on the right with links to the different types of media. At this point, it would be good if students shared their pages with the group. I shall log on as Joe Black. The first thing I see is the group invitation, which I shall accept. I'll go to my collections and I'll check the collection I wish to share. If I click on the name of the collection to open it, I see there is an option to submit the collection to a course group of which he is also a member. This is used in cases where e-portfolios are assessed, and pages submitted to course groups can only be viewed by tutors, not students. Our group is different in that all members wish to see all pages, so I'll select Share from the Portfolio menu and then click the Edit Access button. I'll add the appropriate group and have a look at advanced options. If you don't want people to place feedback on your pages, remove the tick for Allow Comments. I log out as the student and log in as myself to go to the group. I'm going to edit the group home page. I can now pick up the link to the figure drawings page and attach it to the student's name in this block. I'll also copy the link to his profile and attach it to his name in this block. When all of the pages are linked for each student, the Group Pages block can be removed altogether. There is an optional extra that would make it look a bit better, and that is a link on each student's page back to the group home page. I'll log in as the student and pick up the link to the group from my dashboard. I'll put a text block at the foot of each page and type in a few words and attach the link to the text. Anyone starting from the exhibition portal could view the individual pages and get back to the portal easily.